Hi, I'm Mike with Fast Monty's Garage. Today I want to leave a little testimonial for Silver Sport transmissions and their customers. That's you guys. Well, I was filming a twin disc clutch installation on my GTO. I have a TKX transmission that I got from Silver Sport, and I couldn't get the transmission to go that last half inch. It was driving me crazy. I was pushing, pulling, sweating, swearing, yelling, more swearing. It still wouldn't go. I was so upset. And I did what most guys typically won't do, and that's call customer support. So I got a hold of Shane at Silver Sport, and he goes, Mike, are you using that plastic installation tool? You guys have seen that before. So of course, Shane, that's exactly what I'm using. Yeah, it's not gonna work. You need to get the steel one. Look at that thing. Crazy, right? Check out what happened. All right, here's the difference. Remember our plastic install tool? This is fully engaged in the pilot bearing. Look how much we can move the discs around. I'll show you the steel one now. Okay, the steel one's fully engaged in the pilot bearing. I can barely move this. So, oh my God, what a difference. So Shane, Silver Sport, thanks so much. Holy crap, this is going to be a lifesaver. All you guys out there, make sure you get the steel one. I just proved why. So next step, I got to torque this down around this perfectly positioned clutch assembly and get this transmission on. All right, bell's on. Those of you running a Silver Sport hydraulic throwout bearing, make sure you compress it as much as you can before you put the bell on. Otherwise, it's going to misalign itself. So right now, it's really easy to move around. See that? So as soon as you put the transmission in, it will line itself up. And that's the next step. All right, moment of truth. Yes! We're in! So how's that for testimonial? Just get upgraded to one of these. It'll help you out so much. Single disc, dual disc, doesn't matter. You want it perfectly aligned to help you install your transmission faster. And you don't have to waste 2 hours of yelling and screaming and having your wife yell at you because you're too loud. That's what happened to me. So if you haven't done so, subscribe to Silver Sport right now, because they are coming out with more and more videos of different installations of their own, as well as customer rides. It's pretty awesome. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, my link is below as well. I do a bunch of how-tos on the GTO, including a TKO installation, which is the same as a TKX, and a TKX comparison, and a ton of driving footage coming up as soon as I get this thing back on the road. So you guys know the drill. Build them fast, drive them faster. See ya.